So all of that you just saw was me. Hello, this is my blueberry pie, by the way. If I keep looking down, it's because I really want to eat it. All of that you just saw was me going up to my university for my sister's orientation because we're going to be going to the same college in the fall. Yeah, sorry, I didn't really explain what was going on really because I was with my mom the whole time and she doesn't know I have a YouTube channel yet. So, and I also decided to experiment with editing, or not editing, more like filming filters and techniques and whatnot. Well, mainly just filters. But yeah, all of the filters that I used in that vlog are from the Snow app, in case you're wondering. I was just kind of experimenting with them, so that's why they're really sporadic and I kept changing them because I couldn't make up my mind. But yeah, I still hope you enjoyed it. I hope that in the future I can kind of use a mix of those filters with like my regular filming and I don't know, all that jazz, all that fun stuff. So yeah, by the time that this is up, you should be able to go watch my August Plan With Me video. If you can't watch that, then that means I done goofed and I didn't upload a video this week, so I'm sorry. Let's hope that in 2 days time I can come up with a spread idea. So I'm just gonna close the vlog like this. Thank you so much for watching. It was actually kind of sad being up at school without like my friends there. And it's even more sad knowing that like I'm gonna go back to school and they're just not gonna be there because Megan's going to Korea, Jonte's going to Japan. So, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I post videos every Friday / sometimes on Saturdays. I hope you have a lovely week. Bye!